Here are 9 signs that what you want is now manifesting. Are you ready? Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, oh yeah, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. That's really what this channel is about. It's about your dreams and your goals coming into positive manifestation through personal empowerment, mind technologies, and of course, the law of attraction. Be sure and subscribe and click the bell icon because, well, on my son's birthday, July 14th, we're giving away a complete year of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. And all you need to do is be subscribed and clicking that bell icon. Okay? 9 signs what you want. It's now manifesting. But the real question is, are you ready? Number 1, enhanced intuition. All of a sudden, you just know things. You just have this incredible ability. I know that my intuition, ever since my third eye completely opened, has been almost unbelievable. Now, at times, I question my intuition. And so what I'm going to suggest to you, high flyers, is you trust your intuition, because what you desire is about ready to manifest. But you've got to trust your intuition. I didn't say trust your fears. I didn't say trust your doubts. I said trust your intuition. So your intuition is getting stronger and stronger. Just go with it. Number 2, dreams and day visions. You're having incredible, colorful, bright, vivid dreams of what you desire. Perhaps it's that new house on the beach, and all of a sudden you go to bed at night and you're just dreaming about that house. You can't get it out of your head. And then even during the daytime, I call them day visions, you might be working or doing something. You know what I'm talking about. And all of a sudden, you'll just have this vision of that new house, that new career, that acting job you've been trying out for. Whatever it is that you desire, your relationship getting better, your long-lost loved one coming back. You're just having these visions. Now, I honestly believe that you can kind of help the universe with this by focusing on what you desire through meditation and through visions. And I call it visualization. That's really all it is. Some people call it a vision. Some people say it's visualization. But whatever it is, you see it in your mind. You feel it in your body. It becomes very strong. It's almost like it's present. It's almost like it's right here, right now. Oh, get excited about that. That's a huge sign that what you desire is in the process of manifesting. Well, your heart is opening. Your heart chakra, as they say, is opening. But it's opening to passion. And every single day, you are becoming more and more passionate about your dreams. You're becoming more and more passionate about what you deeply want. And it's moving out of the stage of want and into the stage of, I know I have. You're just passionate about it. You get up earlier in the morning. You stay up later at night. You're eating cleaner and healthier. You're exercising because you're filled with passion and life force to bring about the life that you deserve and the life you desire. High Flyers, number 4 is a huge one. It has happened to me. It is happening to me. The right people are showing up in your life. And that's huge, because oftentimes the wrong people are showing up in our life. And that's an indication that you're running into resistance or you have fears and doubts. But when the right people start showing up, it's a wonderful experience. We have a new project that I'm not allowed to share with you yet, but I will soon. You're going to love it. It's incredible. Anyway, in the process of building this new project, 2 new wonderful people came into my life. People that are very talented, very skillful, and very knowledgeable at what they do. You know, when you're ready to flower up, to level up, as they say, when you're ready to shoot for the moon, and everything is beginning to fall into place, first and foremost, the right people are coming into your life. Cherish those people. Take good care of them, and build friendships with them, and give to them as well, because they are treasures in your life. Well, along with the right people coming into your life, number 5 is opportunities are opening up everywhere. It's like, oh my gosh, I can't handle all these opportunities. I get phone calls now every day from all over the world. Would you like to do this? How about doing this? How about having this person on your show? How about this? How about that? How about doing this? It's incredible. Opportunity after opportunity after opportunity. And, I don't know what you desire in life, but whatever it is, opportunities are going to happen. I had one lady I mentored a while back ago, and she lives in a fairly small town, and she said, I kept running into my ex. And she said, it's a small town, but not that small. I might run into him once a year, but now I'm running into him every 3rd day. And now we're talking again. And now we are spending time together again. And now we're dating again. And now we're falling in love together again. Opportunities are opening up. If you don't pray for anything else in your life, pray for more opportunities. They're wonderful. And they are taking you where you desire to go. So, high flyers, the other day, Rachel and I were in a Starbucks, and we were sitting down having a cup of coffee. We had Julian with us, and we were just relaxing. It'd been a long day, and we heard other people talking at the table next to us. They were talking about the same thing that we desire. They were talking about it as well. And then just last week, we were driving home from Tucson, and we were sitting in a table, and the people in the table next to us, again, were talking about what we desire, the same topic, the same subject. And that's the way it works. Number 6 is you hear other people talking about what you desire. So if you're interested in a new boat, you're going to hear people talking about new boats everywhere, because that's how it works. The universe is bringing everything together for you. It's increasing your intuition. It's increasing your awareness. It's increasing your opportunities and your sensitivities. And you're going to hear these kinds of things. If you are working on a relationship, you'll hear other people talking about their relationship. It's just a wonderful thing to know that the universe is communicating with you and sharing with you. Ah, that good. Just take it. I'm excited. Take a breath. That what you want the most, what you desire in your heart, is about to manifest. Number 7 is seeing what you desire. You just see it everywhere. It's everywhere. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. When I decided that I wanted a Jeep. Everywhere I went, I saw Jeeps. I go, wow, there's too many Jeeps around. These things must be worth only like $50 a piece because there's Jeeps everywhere. You'll see Jeeps everywhere. If you are interested in your relationship, you'll see couples walking down the street, sitting in the bar together, doing things together, holding hands. Whatever it is you desire, you'll start to see more and more of it, just as you will hear more and more of it. Number 7, you will see more and more of it. If it's a special kind of a house, you'll see pictures of that house on the internet or in magazines or in newspapers. You'll hear people talking about their new house. You see how seeing and hearing kind of work hand in hand, number 6 and 7. They're powerful ways that the universe communicates with you and lets you know that good things are really, really, really coming your way. Well, number 8 is excitement. And you just feel like, oh yeah, I'm excited. It's happening. I don't know the day. I don't know the hour. I don't know when, but it's happening. As a matter of fact, it's already happened. I just need to unlock the door. I just need to be ready for it. But it's already happened. You're going to feel an incredible amount of excitement in your body, in your mind, in your energy field as you get closer and closer to the finish line of manifesting your deepest desire. And number 9, here it is. You're going to see 1111 everywhere. You'll see it on license plates. You'll see it on your clock. You'll see it on your iPhone. You'll see it on your computer. You will see 1111 everywhere. Remember, the universe, it doesn't speak very good English or Chinese or Japanese, but it speaks mathematics. So when you see that 1111, it means a new beginning is happening for you. I'm excited for you. I'm just pumped up. I'm excited because this is your time. If you have at least 3 of these signs manifesting right now in your life, incredible. Congratulations. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.